Got some GEEK N Game mystery boxes. A little over $100 worth. We got some good inside? Let's find out. Alright, today we got 3 mystery boxes from GEEK N Game. This is probably one of my favorites to order from. I've had success the last 3 orders that I've had from them. This is a limited edition Grail GEEK N Game exclusive Funko Chase mystery box. This is the volume 10. These are $34.99 for each box. I got $104 worth. So what we can expect in these boxes, there's only 100 boxes shipped out. So that's why I kind of buy like 3 or more just to try to get something good. Okay. We have Bonnie the Rabbit Blacklight. PPG is $29. Moon Knight Marvel PPG is $26. Gambit X-Men number 553 Glow in the Dark PPG $24. Bob Ross Chase Soda, I would like to have that one, $42. Superman Chase Soda PPG $48. C-3PO Star Wars Vaulted number 13 PPG $36. List goes on. I mean, there's from $105 ones to $24 ones, $65 ones. The Professor Hulk Marvel 6-inch Chase PPG $65. Them are the ones that you can get in here. I do believe what you'll get in here is 2 Funkos or a Funko and a can. I think that's what you can expect. Oh, and by the way, they sent these 3 individual boxes in a big box. The big box is real dented up, so I kind of just opened a big box to take these ones out just to check. Alright, there. Just saying, you can follow them. We don't need that. Let's slice into the first box. See what we got. And by the way, if you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to get notified on all the new videos that I make, hit that bell button. I'd appreciate it. Let's grow this channel together. Alright. See what we got in the first one. And they package really nice. I like how they do stuff. It's really good. Alright. We'll move all this out of the way. Kind of get first one. We got a Dumb and Dumber Lloyd Christmas. I have like 4 of these, but still, that's not a bad one. Could do better. That's a newer one though. They sent out a newer one. Alright, next one, which I can see is Dragon Ball Z already. Super Saiyan, go on. I bet you both of these are worth together maybe $20, maybe. But like always, all my videos will go at the end and we'll see what they're worth. See if I made out or not. Oh, Thor. Alright. That's pretty sweet. The Black Winter comes for his herald. Alright. This is a good one. Put that to my comic collection. And then we got another comic in here. Alright, this is the Black Panther. I don't know what this is. Huh, keep that for. Put it in my collection. Alright. 1 box down. That was pretty quick. Alright. Let's see what we got in the second box. Alright. Now I might have to sharpen my knife. Alright. Up here. Toss that. Oh, we got a can. Could it be a chase, a good one? We'll start with the Funko. We'll grab the Funko Pop first. This is the top. Ah. I've seen these about 100 times at FYE. Never grabbed one. But I guess if I get the red one, I'll have both of them. This is the Blue Bomber. Sock'em. Rock'em Sock'em. I remember I used to play with that toy when I was young. That's pretty fun. Alright. Now let's hope for the best on this. On the can. What do we got? The Joker. Okay. That's a pretty good one. Let's check it out. Let's see if we got a chase. Hopefully we got a chase. Hopefully we got something good. I'm not sure how much this one's worth. Alright. Dang it. And we do not. We have just the Joker. But that's pretty cool. I like it. I don't really. Actually, oh, and you get like a 1 out of 12,500. That's pretty cool. A little pog or whatever you used to call them when I was a kid. Alright. Put that one aside. And then again, oh boy, you guys with comics. You got Spawn. And I have no idea what this one is. Not a huge comic guy. I like comics. I like reading some comics. I got a few of them. But that's pretty cool. Again, I don't get them for the comics. Alright, last one. Hopefully we got something. Hopefully we get a golden one on this one, or a grail. Something. Make it worth. See, I talked them up at the beginning of the video, said it was one of my favorites. Hopefully they come through. But although that Joker one, I'm not sure what that one's running now. Alright. Get that. What the heck is that? That's a big two Funkos. One's a bigger one, so we'll start with the little one. Let's do that. What do we got there? Can you see? TLC Left Eye. I don't have these. I have one of them. I have actually I think I have the I actually have the chase of her. I found it at GameStop, so I just grabbed because it was a chase. And that's the only one I have, so that'll go to the collection. Not a bad one. Not a fantastic one, but not a bad one. Alright. Very last one. And you know, I knew one of these felt heavier than the others. This is why. Let's check it out. Alright. Got the Professor Hulk. Alright. That's pretty cool. So we got no chases. No amazing ones. Oh, here we go. In the comics. Oh, this is a cool one. Sonic. I'm a big Sonic fan. Who didn't play that when I was a kid? And then Batman. I'll put those with the collection. Alright. Now, to see if we... Oh. Almost dropped that. Alright, now to see if we made out, broke even, or we lost. Let me find the Funko app. Alright, we'll start with Professor Hulk. Alright. This is not the Chase Professor Hulk, this is just the Hulk 6-inch. And it doesn't have a price, but I'm guessing I could probably go pick this up for $15 maybe at FY or GameStop or something. That's alright. TLC, this is worth... I don't think this is worth anything. But I could be wrong. $10. $10. So let's say we're at, let's say that's 15, you know, and so we're at $25. Okay, let's go on to the, this one is worth 10, which I have that one. $35 so far. Super Saiyan, Gohan, glows in the dark. 18 bucks. So we're at 50. What are we at now? I lost complete track. 15, 10, 20, 35, 45. So 50. We're about 50 something dollars. Don't make fun of my math. Alright. This doesn't have a price on, but it's going to be worth like $8. So we're $60. So unless this is something really good, I'm going to take about a $30, $40 loss on this, which is a big bummer. And $13. $13. So we're about 60. We're high 60s. We'll say 70. So we took about a $34 loss on that. And I talked him up at the beginning of the video. But hey, what can you do? Hey, I appreciate you guys coming. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got to see what was in their boxes. I guess don't judge them on this box, because the three I've actually bought before, they were different orders, different months, everything like that. I made out pretty good. I got chases and stuff like that. This is one of the only ones that I've bombed on, and I'm kind of, it's part of the game. It is what it is. Appreciate you guys coming. Hopefully you come next time and enjoyed what I got. See ya.